This video is a quick overview of how we helped Aqua Engineering Works. They are service contracted to the gold mining industry just west of Johannesburg. During mining, when they dig down into the earth, the biggest problem is the groundwater seeping into the mine. To solve this, mines use very powerful water pumps to pump the water up to the surface. From time to time, these water pumps need to be serviced and repaired. This is where Aqua Engineering comes into the picture. They service the water pumps and ensure they keep on working. Before they are returned to the mine, they must be tested to ensure that they perform properly. To do this, the pump is connected to a large water tank. Special measuring equipment measures the flow of the water against the pressure the pump has to work against and prints this out on a long strip of paper. The total time it takes to set up and test the pump is about 20 minutes. The values on the printed strips of paper are then captured into a special table, combined with the factory specifications for that specific pump. This manual process takes up to an hour per pump. After this, a report is generated which is presented to the mine showing the pump works as it should. But this manual process limits the number of pumps Aqua Engineering can handle, causing the mine to become frustrated because they have to wait so long before the pumps can be returned to service. And this is where we were called in to help solve the problem. The first thing we did was to automate the data capturing process. We connected the computer to the measuring equipment to measure the exact data directly onto the computer. This helped because the measurements no longer needed to be captured. The next thing we did was to auto-generate the report using the captured measurements. The only action required by the capture user is to select the type of pump so that the correct factory measurements are loaded, and a report is generated instantly in the correct format. The final report is presented to the mine without delay, ensuring that they do not need to wait so long anymore before the pump can be returned to service. Because of this improvement, Aqua Engineering Works could more than double their production, successfully removing the backlogs in the process. The capture data is now much more accurate because it is captured directly and doesn't require any user interaction. The capture user now has more time to assist with other admin tasks, saving the need to employ more admin staff. And finally, because Aqua Engineering could now do twice as much as before with the same staff and testing equipment, they made much more money.